Is it filming?
Yeah, it's filming.
Alright! This We the People Zodiac bike. It's got a We the People frame, 21 inches. We the People Max bars, and Salt Pro forks, Fit Rasta DL bar stem, Sabroken pivotal seat post, and yes, I know I said that wrong. Got a Salt back wheel with my homemade hub guard.
Let me get close up.
Chopped shadow pegs.
Spin your rim for him.
Okay. Pretty quiet. And
Pretty true.
I got a Salt chain. It stretches like a motherfucker. We got stock piece of shit 3-piece cranks. The E-Clat Surge pedals. Odyssey Evo 2s. Odyssey slit cable and an Odyssey lever. And that's my the front wheel. The Salt. The weird bolts. And
oh yeah.
rim. And that's my bike.
Yeah, it's mostly stock, but it's kick ass.
Yeah. Like 23 pounds with pegs and brakes. It's pretty solid. Yeah. Oh, I hold the brake. It's very solid.
Yeah.
Yep. That's my bike.
He's really high now.